But Abbott India is also surging in trade today. It is after it reported its fourth quarter numbers. Ekta is here with the details and the analysis as well. Ekta.
Thanks very much for that. Well, Abbott India, if you look at the numbers, they were quite okay. So, for example, the revenue was up around 7% year-on-year. The EBITDA came in at around 329 crores, which was up 12% year-on-year. And margins of around 23%. And the profit was lower by around 8% Q-on-Q as well, there was, an EBITDA decline of around 15% and the margins came off sharply. Now, the reason why the stock is higher is probably because of the dividend, because the company has declared a final dividend of 410 rupees per share, and it is a final dividend of 180 rupees and a special dividend of 145 odd rupees. Now, there is some information or statistics on the dividend which I'd like to share. It's from our colleague Yusuf, who's provided all of this data. So the data which he's provided indicates that it is the highest ever dividend of around 410 rupees which he's given out which the company has given out in FY24. In fact, the company has been reporting or giving out special dividends every year since FY18. And if you just look at the trajectory of the dividend, FY20 it was 250 odd rupees, rose to 275 in FY21. And FY23, 325 rupees and now 410 rupees. So there's an upward trajectory when it comes to the dividend payout, and is around 79% on an average in terms of the profitability. And that's the reason why you're probably seeing the stock higher despite lackluster numbers, is because of their dividend payout policy.
Thank you so much, Ekta, for giving us the details as far as Abbott is concerned. Stock doing quite well in the session today. But the next stock on our